Hey up YouTubers, Simon B here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping safe out there. Look at this, where are we? Well, we're on the Isle of Man and we come here for the TT races for 1 day exclusive. So we got the ferry across this morning. It was oh so early. What time was it? 2:15 this morning. It's probably, what is it, nearly 7:45 in the morning now. It's Friday. It's supposed to be 3 races, but as you can probably see by the sky, it's looking a bit cack. No idea. We were supposed to be racing this morning. Roads are closed at 10, but there's rain coming, so they've update's going to be around about 12. So I don't know what's going to happen. So anyway, we'll see what's going to happen, and we'll see you in a bit.
And she's in there, and she's tasty. So with the bike, you can't feel any acceleration, there's no G-force as such through it, you're just waiting, just trying to give the engine everything it's got everywhere. Tell you when it feels faster, when you get off one of the slow bikes. If you get off like the Super Twin and you do a lap, and then you come in and ride this, which is not much heavier and it's got more than double the power, then it feels scary fast, unbelievably fast. You think, how can anyone ride this? You know, using half throttle and it's just wheeling and bucking and bouncing.
And with your laps,
you get there.
With your laps, obviously, you know, sometimes you're very, very close per lap where your time is.
Yeah.
Do you feel when you've done a faster lap? Because they're so close, aren't they?
They are so close because, you know, whether you do 127 or 128 mile an hour lap,
Yeah.
say you go through the bottom of Bagaro and you go through there 148 mile an hour, it's very difficult to judge whether you're doing 149 instead. So you almost can't tell whether you're on a good lap, but you can tell when you've hit a corner just sweet. When you come through Balagary just right and you think, I couldn't get through there any quicker, you know that you've just hit it perfectly, you've got hit that sweet spot.
So in your mind you might think, on that lap I hit everything right,
exactly.
so I must be
That's it, so you know it's a good lap, yeah, but you don't know your time. The dash in this, it's a Motec dash on the stock nowadays. Stock bikes aren't very stock anymore. So it's got a lap time, predicted lap time in it, but I turn all that off here because I find it distracting. Just looking down at it to see how well you're doing, so I turn all that off and just go off feel then, and just go off your rhythm. And you sort of know when you're riding, don't you, when you've got a good rhythm and if you're riding well that day. But in the stock race yesterday, I felt like I was riding crap. I just didn't have it, you know, in my arms. I didn't feel sharp, but it was fast, so it come all right. It come good on the last lap. And you know you're going well as well from when you catch them. So you set off 10 seconds behind, and that means that you can see the person in front, you can catch a glimpse of them, and you know they're a similar pace to you because you've qualified in that position, haven't you? So when you get to the bottom of Quarterbridge, they're just disappearing into Braddon, and as you come out of Union Mills, they're just disappearing in the distance there. So when they're a little bit closer to you than those disappearing points, you go catching him, and you know you're going well or he's going crap. but that feeds you, it eggs you on, it's the carrot, isn't it? And then you're chasing, and then that helps your motivation. So then when you say you hit Ballygarry and you get it just right, then it really motivates you to get in that fast, sweet lap then.
And fast laps come when your competition's fast, don't they? So
yeah,
everybody needs to be running hard for the fastest lap.
They do, yeah, and this is a problem, because I had a crap week in qualifying. I don't know if you know, I heard one thing after another in qualifying. So I qualified really far down, so it's not ideal. So when I see these people 10 seconds in front, I'm chasing slower riding, which is handy. Like Super Sport, over to 3 people in the first lap. So it's better when you know, I've been seeded for years. This is the first year I've been seeded since 2018. You know then, if you're setting off 13th, and like when I set off 13th, there was Lee Johnson in front of me. I know when I can see him, I'm catching someone fast, and you're chasing someone fast, and that really helps you progress. It has been difficult setting off so far back, because I caught so much traffic. I did the 127, but I was just through so much traffic. I overtook 2 guys in one corner.
And it's alien to you from previous years, because you've always been...
Yeah, exactly, yeah. It's weird starting so far down the road as well, you know. Instead of going onto the road and turning left into that bit, you can turn in right and go down the back.
So actually a little bit of new rhythm, because you're racing a different race kind of thing.
Exactly, yeah. Racing and catching, overtaking and stuff like that, yeah. It is different, yeah. And this year I've just got to write off a bit, as, you know, in terms of results now, and we'll get through it and salvage a bit, and then next year hopefully, you know, get some better results again.
You guys haven't seen my bike, so.
Right, cool. Thank you for coming to us.
Thanks for your time.
No worries. Cheers.
So we're at the bottom of Bray Hill. We're waiting for a update at 12 o'clock. It's just gone. Looks like it's going to rain, and our next update is round about 3 o'clock. So we've got 3 hours to wait. Yeah, so we're waiting for the update for around about 3 o'clock to see what's well, I'm not talking to you lot, and to see what's going on. And so yeah, traffic's still running, and we'll see what happens at 3. Hopefully we'll get some racing with a bit of luck, but fingers crossed, and we'll see what happens. So, see you in a bit.
Hello Simon B, how's it hanging?
Hey up YouTubers, welcome back. Well, we've had, where did we get up to? Oh, 12 wasn't it, then it was 3, yeah, so we've sat around in McDonald's. We've eaten all the menu, no, well, not all of it, some of it, and we've had the update at 3 o'clock, and we're in Douglas and it's raining. So racing for Friday today is cancelled. What a bugger. One of those things, innit? British weather, all that, awesome. So yeah, no racing today. So all the way at the Isle of Man for the day, no sleep. Yeah, so anyway, we'll try and get something else in, and as I say, we'll see in a bit. Yeah, we're still here. We're still here. It's what, 5:30. The Manxman, you probably won't be able to see. He's just coming in, and we'll be off home soon. Back home, all the way to the Isle of Man with no racing. What a bummer. Anyway, look at this. Look at this. They said they were going to clear up this afternoon. They were going to have some racing. You probably might not be able to see that sky. You probably will. Look at that. That'll be on top of the mountain now. It'll be pissing it down. You won't be able to see 20 yards in front of you. So yeah, that's why they didn't do it. So yeah, we might have a bit of bit of a wander around the Manx. Money probably haven't seen it or may have seen it, I don't know. What a beautiful boat it is. Bit of a vlog what we've done while we've been here. There's been odd bits of things that were stuck into the video. Don't forget, give us a big thumbs up to very much. Don't know whose idea this was to come here. It was mine actually. I don't know if you can see the hat. We've currently at the moment we're doing a limited edition print, and you should be able to see the t-shirt as well. I'll put some photographs on socials and stuff like that. We're going to do a bit of a limited print from the KTM that we did. If you fancy anything like this, give me a shout. I'll put a price list out soon of what's available and what we're going to do. So yeah, if you like this sort of content, you've not seen us before, give us a sub, give us a like down there, ring that bell, do everything you want to do. Throw us a comment as you come at the TT, what do you think of it? I say, you can't predict the weather, you can't do everything, can you? And as they say, if you're riding out there, ride safe, be safe, keep safe. And time for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Hello, Simon B, otherwise known as Mr. Tumble, because he keeps falling off.
Like and subscribe.